Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to find deleted apps on iPhone iOS 18. So if your iPhone is running the latest iOS 18 and I want to find all your deleted application on iOS 18, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to find or see deleted apps on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Now, once you open the App Store, click on the profile icon at the top right. Then, wait for the accounts page to load, locate apps and click on that. Now, once you selected apps, if you see my apps, click on that. Then here, you have access to all applications you have installed on your iPhone. Then, if the application is installed, if you see open, but all deleted applications on your iPhone will show the cloud icon. So these are all deleted applications on my iPhone. You can see that. Then the one I have installed are the one that showed open. So if you have any application that shows this cloud icon, it means this application are already deleted on your iPhone and you cannot go ahead and restore the application. So this is a new feature on iOS 18 that allows you to find and see deleted apps on your iPhone in the app section. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.